Hello, welcome back students in this chapter Basic Concept in Geometry. In last period, we learned points, line segment, plane, ray. Now we learn in this period we learn first point, how many lines draw a single point. How many lines draw a single point? Suppose P is a single point. We can draw how many lines passes through this single point. First we can draw this line. Line L, line M, line N, line Q. We can draw innumerable lines. Only for line? No. We can draw innumerable lines passes through the single point. Infinite lines. We can draw infinite lines passes through the सिंगल पॉइंट. कसे इन्फायनाइट बघा, इथून काढता येते, इथून साईडनं काढता येते, इथून काढता येते, इथून काढता येते, म्हणजे असे अनेक रेषा आपल्याला एका पॉइंट मधून जाणार आहे काढता येतात. लक्षात आलं का सरांच्या? अंडरस्टँड दिस पॉइंट. वी कॅन ड्रॉ इन्फायनाइट लाइन्स पासेस थ्रू अ सिंगल पॉइंट. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, we can draw how many lines passes through given two distinct point. Suppose A and B are the given two distinct point. We can draw how many lines passes through these 2 points. How many lines? Only one line. We can draw only one line passes through these 2 points, point A and point B. We can draw only one line passes through this point. It means we can draw only one line passes through two distinct points. Understand? First point, we can draw infinite lines passes through a single point. And second point, we can draw only one line passes through two distinct points. Two distinct points. Understand? नेक्स्ट फिगर बघा, आपण आणखी बघू. पॉइंट P, पॉइंट Q. These are 2 points. We can draw how many lines passes through these 2 points? Only one line. We can draw only one line passes through these 2 distinct points. Understand? Only one line passes through 2 distinct points. Now we learn next point. Parallel lines. या ठिकाणी P आहे. Parallel lines. Which lines are said to be parallel lines? Line L and line M. These two lines in the same plane. Plane बघितला आपण. In mathematics, a flat surface is called a plane. Plane H. Line L. Line L and line M are said to be parallel lines because when we extend this line both side, दोन्ही साइडला आपण वाढवली, and when extend this line M on both sides, but these lines do not intersect each other. Do not intersect each other. Therefore, these lines are said to be parallel lines. Draw the figure of parallel lines. Draw the figure of parallel lines. Parallel line म्हणजे लक्षात आलं सर्वांच्या? In the same plane, when two lines do not intersect each other. In the same plane, when two lines, given two lines, two or more than two lines, do not intersect each other, then these lines are said to be parallel lines. आता या ठिकाणी बघा, अशी रेष काढली, लाईन काढल्या मी दोन लाईन. Suppose line PQ and line AB. These lines are intersect each other? No. Extend करून बघायची लाईन, वाढवून देखील बघायची. These lines are intersect each other. When these two lines extends on both sides, then these lines do not intersect each other. Therefore, these lines are said to be parallel lines. Understand? Parallel lines म्हणजे एक given lines do not intersect each other, then these lines are said to be parallel lines. In the same plane, two lines do not intersect, given lines do not intersect each other, then these lines are said to be parallel lines. आता या ठिकाणी आणखी एक फिगर काढली मी. लाईन हियर काढली. ही लाईन M काढली. These lines are said to be parallel lines? No, because आता या ठिकाणी इंटरसेक्ट झाली तर लाईन नाही. But when these two lines are extend, वाढवली, these two lines are extend, then these lines are intersect each other. Then these lines are not parallel lines. These lines are said to be intersecting lines. Understand? Parallel line कशाला म्हणायचं? If in the same plane, when two or more lines do not intersect each other, then these lines are said to be parallel lines. When two lines are intersect each other, then these two lines are said to be intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. When two lines intersect each other, line L and line M. These lines are intersect each other, therefore these lines are said to be intersecting lines. When two lines in the same plane, when two lines do not intersect each other, then these lines are said to be parallel lines. And when two lines intersect each other, then these lines said to be intersecting lines. Understand? This is the difference between two lines. Parallel lines म्हटलं की do not intersect each other. Intersecting line म्हटलं की intersect each other. Intersect म्हणजे छेदणे. लक्षात येते का? In मराठी intersect means छेदणे. Therefore, these lines are said to be intersecting lines. Understand? Now we learn next point, concurrent lines. Concurrent lines. Which lines are said to be concurrent lines? I can draw the figure of concurrent lines. Line L, line M, line N and line S. Observe this figure. In in this figure, lineal, lineum, linean and lineus intersect each other in the same point. Intersect each other in a single point, point Q. Intersect each other in a single point. Therefore, these lines are said to be concurrent lines. It means if three or more than three lines intersect each other in a single point, then these lines are said to be concurrent lines. And their point, intersecting point is called concurrence point. Their intersecting point is said to be concurrence point. Understand? If three or more lines intersect each other at a single point, then these lines are said to be concurrent lines and their intersecting point is said to be concurrence point. Understand? Next point we learn in next period. Stay home, stay safe.